If your Microsoft Edge browser is running slowly, websites are loading incorrectly, or you're having trouble signing in, one of the quickest fixes is clearing your cookies and cache. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to refresh your browser, remove stored site data, and fix common browsing issues without needing any advanced settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser window, click the three dots menu. This opens the main menu where you can access Edge settings and privacy options. From that menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click featuring Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps its privacy controls, browsing protections, and data clearing tools. Now scroll down the page until you find the section called Clear Browsing Data. Under that section, click Choose what to clear. A new window will appear with several options for removing browsing data from your browser. At the top, you'll see a time range dropdown. Click that and select All Time. This ensures that you clear everything, not just recent data. Now make sure you check cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. Cookies store website preferences and login information, while cached files are saved versions of web pages and images that can sometimes cause loading problems. If you want the cleanest refresh possible, these are the two options you want to select. Once those boxes are checked, take one last look to make sure the time range is set correctly and that you're only clearing the data you want to remove. Then click Clear Now. Microsoft Edge will begin deleting the selected cookies and cache data right away. Depending on how much data is stored, this may take a few moments. After it finishes, your browser should be refreshed and ready to use. You may need to sign back into some websites because clearing cookies can log you out of accounts, so that's completely normal. This simple cleanup can often fix website errors, slow loading pages, display issues, and other browser problems, and that's it. You've now cleared cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.